Hey everyone, we're back with some BTS. So world's nastiest video that we're doing for the TV show. We never did anything like it. The thing is, when we film this today, we got one shot. We only got one chance at this. So we're about to get the shot.
So we are in Montgomery, Texas. I'm here with Brian with Southern Water Solutions. So tell us real quick what we're doing today. This is new construction, obviously.
It is. It's new construction. This homeowner has not moved into the house yet. So he will be moving in tomorrow or sometime this week.
Okay.
He's installing a water softener for his hard water, and we're putting in a 20-inch sediment filter as well for the sediment.
This is cool. Let's go inside and I'll have you show us around.
Okay.
This is a cool house.
It is very, very cool house.
Very cool house.
So the good thing about him getting this system now before they've actually moved in is they haven't ran any water through their appliances or through their sinks or faucets or showers. So protecting the water, getting all that calcium and magnesium deposits out before they start running all this stuff. They're never gonna see that white buildup around their sinks or in their dishwashers.
Wow.
So he'll be getting a reverse osmosis installed here at his kitchen sink. So all we do is we come in, we slap the RO faucet right here, the RO itself, the reverse osmosis.
That's all gonna go underneath.
Yes, sir. Yep. The reverse osmosis will go underneath here, and he will have good drinking water, cooking water, for years.
And then here is where you guys do the water softener. So this is a little unique because he's coming off of well water, correct?
Correct.
Just walk us through that.
So yeah, his pressure tank is actually right outside this wall right here. Actually, this homeowner here has decided to take his pressure tank and move it right here. They just haven't done it yet. Okay. So he will be moving his pressure tank inside here. But being on well water, they did put a loop in for us. Makes everything a lot easier. We got your drain here for the drainage.
So what's the water softener going to do for the homeowner?
It's going to remove all the calcium and magnesium deposits, which creates hard water, right? So you won't have any of that white scale buildup around your faucets, sinks. It'll protect all your plumbing, your pipes, and your appliances as well. Make your skin soft, your hair soft, stuff like that.
Typically, how long does something like this take?
Typically, this install will take about an hour, hour and a half.
Oh, wow. So we're probably the ones slowing you down, filming all this for the TV show.
You are, yeah. My technicians out there are probably a little like, can we get on with this?
Yes.
But yeah, so typically we're in and out of something like this in about an hour, hour and a half. Southern Water Solutions' goal is to make the whole process as seamless, transparent, and tailored to that homeowner's specific needs and wants. So that's our main goal.
I think it's so cool that they're going to start the process with clean water.
I agree. That's key. Before you start running water through them pipes and through the appliances and through the faucets, protect everything. It's going to make everything last 3 times as long, if not longer. So.